At the MWC Barcelona in February, LG unveiled its flagships, the G8 ThinQ and V50 ThinQ 5G. Now, the company is all set to launch another flagship, named LG G8X, and it is expected to launch in IFA Berlin. The CAD renders of the phone were shared by OnLeaf in collaboration with Prince Baba, and they revealed the design from every angle. It's unclear at this stage if any upgrades are planned for the selfie sensor, but there's most certainly a downside to this new design. Specifically, the lack of area inside the notch means there is no room for G8 ThinQ's 3D camera system that enabled secure face unlock and gimmicky air motion gestures. Another detail worth pointing out is the large speaker grill along the very edge of the aluminum frame, which ultimately suggests LG's sound-on-display tech has been axed. For those who are very curious about the size of the smartphone and its display, Hammerstoffer suggests it will feature a 6.35-inch display. For reference, the G8 ThinQ sports a 6.1-inch panel. The South Korean company is sticking to its guns and has reportedly equipped the G8X model with a dual camera setup. Once again, any upgrades to the actual sensors are yet to be reported, but certain visible changes have been made. This smartphone is expected to replace the G8 ThinQ. It's largely expected to debut with either Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 or 855 Plus on the inside. This will probably be accompanied by a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable internal storage, although an upgrade to 8GB of RAM could be possible. The LG G8X is expected to debut with Android 9 Pie pre-installed alongside the company's custom overlay. An upgrade to Android 10Q is to be expected, but LG doesn't exactly have the best history when it comes to software updates, so this likely won't roll out until 2020. Guys, that's it for this video. I'll be back with another leak soon. Till then, bye bye.